morning.
Good morning. I'm sorry, but I can't take your phone off silent from Google Home.
That's fine.
The time is 5:58 a.m. Right now in Calgary it's -16 with fog. Today, there will be snow showers with a forecasted high of -5 and a low of -16. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -22.
Ew.
Have a nice day.
Where should I really even start? I got that I'm keeping in the dark. When I die, put my money in the grave.
Ow.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adwoa, and if you're a new subscriber, please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I finally decided to do a morning routine. It seems like lately I've been actually like making videos that I wanted to do for a while, like my what's in my backpack video, have that in the card. And then this video, I've wanted to film a morning routine for a long time, and I'm finally doing it, which is honestly really awesome if you ask me. So yeah, as you saw, I just made breakfast. I'm still finishing it up. It's 7:10 right now. I usually wake up, make breakfast, make my bed, put on my morning jams playlist, and I'm trying to get back into the habit of doing my 5-minute journal. I haven't really been doing it, but I'm trying to use it more. I really look like an egghead, but don't mind that. So I just finished my breakfast. I'm not done my chai latte. It's pretty good. So I'm going to take a shower and get ready for the day. It's 7:30 right now. I received this package from Influencer and Dove. It's a body wash mousse with essential oils. This is what it looks like. And it has rose oil, and it says you can use it to shave and shower. Smell to scratch. Ooh, that smells good. Okay. So it says immerse yourself in a cloud of rich creamy lather with rose oil and an indulgent shower like never before from Dove Mousse. Yeah, I just really want to test this out. I've had it with me for a while and I just never got the opportunity to use it, so I figured why not use it in a morning routine, right? Because you have to shower. So let's go to the bathroom. Like this routine's kind of dragging out, but literally on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday my mornings are pretty chill. I usually don't have anything to do, so I can take my time with getting ready, with food. I'm having lunch now, even though it's only like 10:30, but I'm starving. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, eat my lunch, and then finally conclude this because it's still morning, so technically all of this is part of my morning routine. What do you guys think of this makeup look? It's very simple. Brows, eyeliner, mascara, and concealer. So I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit. This is gonna be the end of the morning routine. So I'm wearing my Mariana's Trench Phantom. So yeah, this is my Mariana's Trench Phantoms merch from their concert. I love the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It says my love is the killing kind. And then I'm just wearing these Topshop jeans. And I'm just gonna wear my Timbs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this morning routine. I definitely want to do more routine videos in the future. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future content. Leave some comments down below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.